Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TPM 2.0 for Windows 11 compatibility step by step clearly. To begin, power on your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. To do this, repeatedly press the appropriate key, usually Del, F2, or Escape, during startup. Once in the BIOS setup, navigate to the Security tab. Look for an option labeled TPM, Trusted Computing, or TPM device. Ensure that TPM is enabled. If you see TPM 2.0 or a similar designation, check that it is also activated. Save your changes and exit the BIOS setup. Your computer will restart. Next, once Windows 11 is loaded, right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager from the drop-down menu. In the Device Manager window, expand the Security Devices section. Look for Trusted Platform Module 2.0. If it is listed, your TPM is properly configured. If it is not present, you may need to revisit the BIOS settings and ensure it is enabled. To check for Windows 11 compatibility, right-click on the Start menu again. Select Windows Terminal or Command Prompt. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. The TPM management window will open. Here, you can verify the TPM version again. If you see TPM manufacturer information and specification version as 2.0, you are all set. Finally, if updates or drivers are needed, go to your PC manufacturer's website to download them. Once all updates are installed, restart your computer if prompted. Now, your system is fully configured for Windows 11 compatibility with TPM 2.0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.